Hello, everyone. It's time for cocktail blog number 8. This is the first day staying in one of the guest cottages, and I got to tell you, this is spectacular. It's amazing what $4,000 will get you. Anyway, it was kind of a weird day. I woke up and the light just looked weird. It was like, oh, maybe I'm just, not used to it, but I opened up the curtains and looked out here and I couldn't see with nearly the clarity that I'd normally been able to see. It's dusty today. It's really amazing. You can see how red that sunset is in the background. I think I'm going to take the night off. I was thinking that I would be able to get up there and I wouldn't have to worry about guests coming up because I am all alone here. Can't get over how weird this is. I am the only one here. They have a skeleton staff. Normally there'd be 2 or 3 people behind the bar ready to make drinks. Carl, the chef, is going to come back at 6 o'clock and make me a burger and fries for dinner. I had steak for lunch. Usually there'd be tables set up with preset for the guests that are here, 6, 3, 2, whatever. There's no cashier at the gift shop. There's no laundry service. There's a big changeover happening during this. And so tonight I thought I was going to be able to shoot it up, but there's so much dust in the atmosphere, I think maybe it's not a good idea. And I've been working pretty hard. I'm going to process that image of 47 Tucanae that I completely reshot, the big star cluster, not the big one, but the next big one. Get that out tonight. That'll be easy. It's crunching in there right now as I'm recording this. And tonight it's Taffel, the beer again, the table beer. However, the bar here is so complete, I'm going to look up the recipe for making an old fashioned, and I am going to follow the beer with an old fashioned later after dinner. And I'll do some processing and maybe scare up some new targets. I'm running low on targets. It might also be a good night just to spend some time with the little telescope. I haven't actually done anything with it yet. I got it pretty much polar aligned using the little polar scope that comes with it, but it was very difficult, very touchy, and so I might spend some time with that just in sort of an R&D kind of way and maybe just take some shots to see how accurate it tracks and things like that, but not really expecting anything other than just information out of that. It's getting warmer here. At least last night it was warmer. Normally when I get up there and start shooting, it's about 17 degrees Celsius. Last night when I got up there, it was 24 degrees Celsius, and the temperature didn't drop much. And that's fine because I was just able to wear 2 pairs of pants, 2 shirts, and a hoodie and be plenty warm enough without having to wear the winter coat or a hat. So that was fine. But the one little downside is that the cooling system in the camera was not able to get it down to the same coolness as the other shots in the series. I had been shooting at about minus 15 degrees centigrade on the camera for all the pictures I've taken so far, but last night I could only get it down to about minus 9, so I'm going to have to perhaps re-cue for minus 10 as my detector temperature. The guys here were telling me that as I get to the end of my stay, which is still, 7 weeks away, it's going to be noticeably warmer by the end. So I'm looking forward to that. Heading into springtime here. It seems kind of funny as we're approaching October, but that's just the way it is here in the Southern Hemisphere. I flew the drone today, even though it was not the best for big, expansive vistas, but I have 2 days where there's no guests here, and today was the first day. And I drained the batteries, all 3 of them once, and I drained a 4th battery again, and they won't be charged in time to see if I can do anything else today. So hopefully this dust will lay down and I'll get better shots tomorrow, but at least I got something. So very happy about that. And I was thinking it was going to be a total nothing. So anything is a bonus. And the close-in views, you can't really tell that it's dusty. So I got some good shots of the resort. I got a shot of me waving hi. I got a shot at the observatory, and there's a pretty good idea of just how this place is laid out. So very happy about that. It beats a blank, I'll tell you that for sure. Anyway, so that just about does it. So weird being here by myself, but it's got its upside. Bill the Sky Guy, Carpe Noctem.